up, guys? So, got a big package today. It's a little bigger than I can fit in my desk in my room, so went to the spare room here and tossed it on the bed. So it's Nanlite PavoTubes. So let's dig in and check these bad boys out. In a box, in a bag, in a bag. So there we go. It's got their logo on it. It's got double handles. Got a little Velcro thing here. Got double zippers. Goes all the way around. Alright, so you can see here it's super nicely done. Each tube is in its own individual zippered pocket here. And there we go, it's the 4-foot tubes. Of course they're in some more plastic. So we got Nanlite there. All the little details on there for all the settings. Got the menu stuff here. Got the holes for mounting the cables through and different types of mounting situations. This side we've got the power plug, connector for network getting together, and of course on and off switch. Pretty cool there.
Pick up the phone.
Pretty sweet, just tossed in the background there. So it looks like there's random pots here for a little mounts. So you got a quarter 20 thread mounted onto tripod or a clamp mount. It's clamped onto there. Got the sync cables. And here's the different types of power cables. And of course the user's manual. And here's the chargers. Slash, I guess, power source. So I got the power plug there. Comes in a cool little bag inside of there too. Helps keep it protected. And of course, big old power cable. So I'm guessing you can charge 2 at a time per pack there. So there's only 2 packs. So that's pretty handy. Another one of these. So they weigh a decent amount of weight, but they're not too heavy. Everything feels nice and firm. Nice bit of quality build. Turns on very fast. So kind of nice lighting. A little bit of a directionality to it also. Toss it in some different varieties. the plastic after, but it is what it is. Definitely gonna have to play with the menu some, figure out how to work all this. Oops, that's the wrong button.
Pick up the phone.
The ends here are nice and cushiony, so when you're carrying it around, protects them both sides here. And everything just tosses in there pretty nicely. I think it's pretty sweet set. So this is the 30C RGB tube light, 4-footers. I got the 4-pack. I figured that'd be the best for what I wanted to use it for. You know, it was a little bit better deal. And you pick them up. So stay tuned for some cool little variety of ideas to use for shoots. Kind of cool though, you can, put one on each side, easily get framing there, so you can
Pick up the phone.
do different things with them. Super customizable. You can put them closer on that side, you won't even see them in the frame. It's pretty cool. Ready to test these bad boys out. Here you can see the full zipper goes all the way around it. The ends are really thick there. Actually, because there's a... Oh, you can see the cushion inside of there. It's pretty cool. Just for cleaning. And then, oh, here's the cables for... You can thread them through the sides here, or the ends here, sorry. And then hang them up different places, do different varieties. There should be, they are on both sides. So you can hang it straight up, horizontal, whatever type of thing you want to do. It's pretty cool.
Pick up the phone.
Power cord, and past inspection. But yeah, you can even toss a couple of extra goodies in the extra pockets. There was a little extra room in there if you could buy extra mounts, different things. But overall, it's definitely a good buy here, and great variety of lighting you can do with it.
Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone.